Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, chicken dinner. Are we ready? Cool life. This is cool life. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for it? Ready? Looks quite pretty. Cool life. Now I will lift it up and examine. Okay, let's take a look. I like this color. Decent. You can put this way. This is not for rolling, but it's a stand. And here are the wheel. Open. Press here, can pull this one out, one level, two levels. This is direction. Oh my goodness. Put something simple. Oh my goodness. So slippery, so smooth. Quite light. Work out the number. take a look at the bag. Oh, that's a huge one. Yeah. This is a huge cosmetic bag. It looks quite dirt resist, not worry too much about getting dirty. What is this? Is this supposed to be like that? Oh, this is another layer. You can erase it out, increase another layer, and this goes with the luggage handle. This is the front, Coolife. Normally, when you are just being easy, a small trip, you can do the small one. Haha, origami folding. The fabric has memory. This is a small bag. You can use a handle. Or, wow, that's very strong, this belt. You can use a belt. Oh, that's very strong. One bag, one pocket, two pockets, three pockets, and this for some toilet paper, napkin, pen, not expensive pen, a little notepad, I mean paper notepad, something boom boom, something simple and easy. Oh, I like it. This is a bag, inside one, inside two, inside. Ooh, look at it. Very smooth, water repellent, I bet. Yes. Oh, this is not water repellent. The belt, but the fabric is water repellent. See? Oh, I love it. Good. Wow, I like it. So that's it. 3 things in one, and I think they are trying to sell Coolife. They are trying to sell, and there is a very good price. 20%, 30%, 10%. There is a percentage off. If I do not use it, I can keep it aside for other use. And that's quite a good quality stuff. Bye. And it goes to the luggage bag. Goes to the, how do I say it? When you travel, it goes to the carry-on luggage. This is supposed to be this way. Good. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am about to travel, and I got this new winter unboxing, Coolife bags. Now you can take a look, and it's so easy to use, so comfortable, and carry-on size. Let's see. See, this is the size. And let me roll it down a little bit so that you can see clearly. So easy to move around and carry on and carry like this, and inside a little bag inside, and this bag, and carry if I'm lazy enough, now I can pull this one into this hole, this one into this hole, so when you travel, you need as much as possible your hands, right? And you can carry like this. What do you think? And even better, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.